Hi dear children, this is your GK ma'am. Welcome to the GK class. So how are you cuties? I hope you all are fine and safe, right? Shall we start our session with prayer? All of you just close your eyes and pray. Asato ma satgamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrityorma amritam kamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. All of you slowly open your eyes. So children, our today's topic natural calamities. In this we are going to do an activity. Okay, this class we are going to do some activity. So the first one, paste the stickers of the natural calamities. So children, please paste the sticker of the natural calamities that we have seen in our last classes. Okay, last classes la paatha stickers mattum paste pannunga. So next one, match the following. So only match the words with the picture. So the first one, severe storm is matched to lightning. So lightning occurs because of severe storm. So the next one, large and powerful waves, it's matched to tsunami. So large and powerful waves are called tsunami. So the next one, flow of lava. Flow of lava is matched to volcanic eruption. So the next one, occurs in forested area, it's matched to the wildfire. So wildfire occurs in the forested area. Due to heavy rain, matched to the flood. Okay, the flood occurs because of heavy rain. So the next one, choose the correct answer for the given option. Don't answer all the question. Answer the question that what we have seen in our previous classes. So the first one, tornadoes are storm with swirling clouds, or powerful ocean or spinning tubes of air. So choose the best answer and write the answer in the side of the question. Okay, so the first one, tornadoes. So the answer is spinning tubes of air. So the next one, earthquake happens. Earthquake not we have seen, so leave this question. Okay, the next one, floods are caused due to heavy rain, forest fire or storm. So choose the answer and fill into the block. So the next one, wildfire normally occurs dash in the earth crust or in forest area or in the under the ocean. So choose the correct answer in this and write the answer in the side of the question. So the next one, tsunamis are dash. Tsunamis are dash, uncontrollable fire or meteor shower or large and powerful waves. So write the correct answer in the side of the questions. Danger winter storm are called dash. So blizzards are landslides or tornadoes. You can choose the answer and write the answer in the side of the question. So the next one, question and answer. It's a very simple question. You can answer by one line. Okay. So write the name of the 5 natural calamities. So the next question, write 3 main causes of flood. Third one, write the main 2 causes of wildfire. And the fourth one, what is meteor shower? And the fifth one, what is blizzards? So children, all of you complete your homeworks and send it to the classroom app. And this is your today's homework. Please finish your homework and send a photocopy to the classroom app. Okay. So children, please avoid mobile, laptops, tabs, desktop or any other gadgets item after your session. All of you drink more water, eat healthy foods, fruits and vegetables. Okay, we will see in our next session. Also stay home, stay safe. Thank you.